Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a few hacks for setting up a quiz in Google Forms that'll save you a lot of time. The first hack is here in the Omnibox. All you have to do is type forms.new or sheets.new or docs.new and it brings you to a brand new fresh page. This is going to be a sample quiz. When you click up here, it brings your heading over and organizes it in your Google Drive that way. You have the paint palette here where you can customize the theme. And this gear here is where your settings are. So the first thing you do when setting up a quiz, you click on the settings gear. Quizzes is on the right. And you toggle make this a quiz. You have some other options in here to lock Chromebooks, release grades, or things the respondents, the students can see after they've finished. And you click save. So now this is set up to be a quiz. The first hack that I really love is importing my questions, which is this piece of paper with the arrow on it. You click here, it'll pull up previous quizzes you've made or forms where you can pull questions from. So I've selected this one and it has all the questions in that form that I made. So I'm going to take the directions because these are always the same for me. What's your first name? What's your last name? Who's in your homeroom? And I'm not going to import any of the questions, but I could. And I'll import those four things I've selected: directions, name, and homeroom. And so this is done for me already. I don't have to redo it because I've done it already. So that's the beautiful part about importing questions that'll save you a ton of time when setting up your quiz. The next thing I like to do is come here to my first question. Always the points are 0 by default. When you click answer key, you can adjust the points. So this is going to be a 5-question quiz. So I'm going to change the points to 20 and click done. I'm also going to require it. I don't like my kids to miss anything. And when the questions are required, Google Forms won't let them continue until they've answered whatever it is that you want them to answer. So now this is all set up for me. I'm going to click duplicate 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I have a 5-question quiz. All the questions are required and all worth 20 points. I don't have to do any more setup at this point and I can just begin entering my questions. I'm going to do that and be right back. I finished inputting my questions and all I have to do now is choose the right answers. You click on the question. You click on answer key and you choose the right answer. You'll see a green check and you click done and the green check is there to verify. Do it again, answer key, choose the right answer and click done. The green check is there. Answer key, choose the right answer, done. Answer key, choose the right answer, done. And answer key, choose the right answer, and done. So now my quiz is set up. All the questions are required. They're all worth 20 points. And all the answers are selected. So all my students need to do is take this quiz. One last thing I'm going to show you, which is my favorite hack, is embedding images right into the questions. So for example, in this first question, I have 2 states, California and New Jersey. All I have to do is click add image. I used to save tons of images to my hard drive, the different files, they would get lost. When you click insert an image, you find the Google image search, which makes it so much easier to find the image you're looking for. So I search for California. Here's a great picture. And I'll click insert and it embeds it right within the question. The same thing for New Jersey. Add image, Google image search, New Jersey. Here's another great image. I'll insert it. And now this question is basically a picture prompt. And all you have to do at this point is check to make sure you like it. So you click on the preview icon here at the top. And the quiz looks pretty good to me. What's your name? What's your last name? You see I have the directions here. Who's your homeroom teacher? You can choose. Here's my picture prompt. How nice does that look? All my questions are required. You see this little red star that indicates to the student that it's required. All I have to do is click submit. And that's it. I hope this quick hack and setting up a quiz in Google Forms was beneficial to you. And please remember to like and subscribe my channel.